Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not letting you make a new account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. And after that, once you are on Instagram, make sure that you are on the account that you not make sure that you use the email address that you not use to create any account on Instagram. So basically, let me log out from my account, and you use the fresh email or number so that you not find any issue while creating a account. So you can must use a new email address. So once you are here, you simply need to add username. So I'm going to tap in. So here you can see that you must use a unique username as well. So it is, you can see that it is not available. So I'm going to select a unique one. Click on next, and here you need to enter password and click on next. So let me enter a random password, for example. Click on next again. So here you click on add new phone or email. So make sure here that you use new phone number and new email address so that you not find any issue in creating a new account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.